That's the big boy. Truck ready, oil change, RaceMotive. Change the oil on this thing, get it ready. Got the oil out. That's what I use for a filter. Didn't even look so dirty, but clean it for safe measure. Drain it. Now we're gonna fill it. So Rotella is what I use when keeping that engine good. Been using it for years and years on this build, and also I used it on my Evo build also. So I'm gonna pour. I'm sloppy, so you gotta use a funnel. Can't go no funnel. I know some of the good guys go no funnel. But I ain't gonna lie, I even spill with a funnel. This ain't that tight. I mean, nice liquid gold, honey, syrup, scissor. Back again, October 6th. Let's see what it does. Goauto. So good. What's up, man? Think I'm gonna go out there and run?
You ever been a house yet?
No. It's so much, you know, getting it off and checking little things. man.
Sorry?
Nice car.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, and I've been watching so much on these, man. They make so much good power.
Yeah, really easily, too.
Huh? This is the street sweeper. King GTR. That's the big boy. No Diddy. These are the big bros. Out at RaceMotive getting amped. They had an oil spill, so didn't get a first run yet, but it's kind of good. I wanted the car to cool down. Here with GoAuto, the big bros. So I'm tier 1, they got tier 2, and they got level 3, which is King GTR Farooq. But I'm getting amped right now. I want to get out there and lay down a nice 189.99. Good color, good make. Good model.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negative.
I was just checking to see if ethanol, because you put that import in it, you gotta get it through the system, you know?
Here, trying to make a pass, but the timing system's down, so I haven't made a pass yet today, and it's around 12 o'clock. But looking to make a pass. I'm gonna try to hit that 189.99, maybe start soft, 55 mile per hour. Like the color, man.
Thank you, bro.
It's sick. Mine's is the blue one.
Yeah. Okay, shit. That shit is dope.
Yeah.
How are you pushing in that thing, bro?
Around like 1,300 right now. How about yourself?
This is stock motor, so everything you could do
Okay.
without building the motor.
Oh, nice. Around 850?
830.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a sweet spot, man.
Yeah, it is, but I'm at the point where
Yeah.
because I got a built trans, so I'm just waiting to go pistons rods at least so I can send it.
Yeah, I know how that is. I was there.
Bro, you know, it's like the next
Yes,
milestone.
and then it's like at points I did regret, you know, because it's the amount you going. You know, it's not just one. It's just like you keep doing this and that, but I mean, yeah, you know, these cars, the sky is the limit. So
the sky is the limit. It's really about the pockets.
Yes, definitely. It
It's
hits.
really about the pocket,
So I'm like, the car is plenty fast at 850. You're talking what is that, like a mid to low 9-second car, right?
Mid 9-second car.
Come on.
No, I got you. But
Yeah.
you know,
yeah.
it's just when people see a GTR, they automatically think 1,000 or more.
Yes,
so
yes,
it's like
yeah.
expectations of the vehicle alone is like,
Yeah.
you know.
Boys, I fucking sent her a little too fucking hard, bud.
I mean, at this point, yeah, you're probably gonna go 193 ballway.
Yeah, and I was playing with let me see my first.
What speed did you start at?
Oh, here. Oh, 62.64.
Alright. This one not as what? See,
How you doing? How's it going?
Felix, make sure I was still ready. He told me it was only gonna take 40 pounds. Alright. Okay, I'll talk to you in a little bit. You ready?
Yeah.
Get you the car.
Okay.
Alright. 192.15.
That is fast. That's crazy. That was a Durango. He was walking him down there. They got some fast guys. He got out of it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.